Who's foul, ref? Foul number 7. Basket is good by number 42, Vieta. Traveling. Score is 3-2. Admirals leading by a point. Points by the head. Score is 4-3. Change favor. 10 seconds shot clock. Who's foul, ref? Foul number 5, Reyes. Out of bounds. By Rainier Barrow. 5 seconds shot clock. 2 points. Score. Two points by number 17. Score is 8-5. Eight-second shot clock. Two points. Time out. Wolves.
Narinig ko yun ah. Nice.
2 points by number 23. Score is 10. by number 30. Score is 10-9. 10-second shot clock. 2 points by number 12, Macdo. Score is 11-10. Change paper. 10-second shot clock. Fast break, 2 points by number 12. The score is 13-10. Admirals leading by 3 points. Ten-second shot clock. Blue ball. Traveling blue ball. Two points by number 42. 5 points. 10-second shot clock. 2 minutes. Substitution. Number 1 out, number 16 in. Substitution. Number 12 out, number 11 in. 1 minute and 40 seconds for the first quarter. Two points by number 14, Toledo. Score is 15-12. Wolves trailing by 3. Two points by number 4, Julao. 2 points by number 23, Leher. 30 seconds remaining on the clock. Same ball. 11 seconds on the shot clock. 11 seconds to shoot. By Villena. Score is 19-14. Who's foul, ref? Foul number 14.
Wala nang oras yan. Wala nang oras.
Substitution.
1.6 seconds. 1.6 seconds.
And the first quarter.
End of first. Ayan po, start of second quarter. Pinasok na po yung vlogger. Ayan, nag-iisa.
Foul number 42. Miliena.
Yan po yung vlogger natin.
Mosquito
Hindi
bite.
pa nakakahawak ng bola. Bola ng white.
Blue ball.
Yan po yung vlogger. Tagalabas lang pala siya ng bola. Ipinasa sa coach. Baro dribbling the ball. Ipinasa sa vlogger. Ibinalik. Naghahanap ng mga papasahan. Ayun, nakahawak ng bola. Tinira. Kapos.
Traveling. White ball. Nine violations. Blue ball. Who's foul, ref?
Ayan po, unang foul ng vlogger.
Horseman.
As for front like pa.
On number 1.
Hindi kinuha ang bola, hinawakan po. Vlogger, harap-harap. Hands po ka.
1 out of 2 by Angwa.
Salam eh.
Who's foul, ref? Foul on number 15. Two points by Toledo. His score
Nice shot by Toledo. Pagos.
is 17-20. Admirals leading by 3 points. 2 points by Miliena. Score is 12-17. Admirals leading by 5.
Foul na naman po yung
Foul,
vlogger.
ref. Foul on number 1. Eric Lingo.
Mukhang nananakit lang yung vlogger ah.
Blue ball.
2 fouls po pag vlogger. Yung una, hands po.
Si Eric sa piskapon. Lumabakakin ba? Yes. Talagang matigit ka sa cactus.
Toledo. Ipinasa kay Master.
2 points by number 18. Score is 22-19.
po, kararating lang po ng guest natin. Isang pogi.
Darius, kala ko hindi ka makagising. Sobrang natin si spicy.
Short.
Nakita kayo na spicy. Ano kahapon ah. Nga, may tira po eh.
Substitution. Number 17, 5-3. Number 8 out. Number 16 out. Substitution. Number 30 in.
Number 8 out.
Number 8 out. Two points by Toledo. Score is 21-22. Still leading Admiral by a point. Last game is good. Who's foul, ref? Foul number 14. 2 points by number 5. Score is 24-23. Admirals leading by a point. Second shot clock. Second shot clock violation. Substitution. Number 12 in. Number 1 out. Traveling. Points by number 5. Change favor. Score is 25-24. Wolves leading by a point. Foul number 11. Substitution. Foul number 30, penalty. Penalty, substitution. Number 15 out, number 4 in. points by Miliena. Score is 26-25. Admiral leading by a point. Admiral Shadra. Two minutes. Seconds shot clock. Wow, 2 points by Miliena. Score is 28-25. White ball. Substitution. Number 14 out. Number 8 in. Five seconds. Six seconds shot clock. 2 points by Miliena. Score is 30-25. Points by Miliena. 1 second remaining. Time. And that's number 11, number 12. The ball.
Third quarter na po. Sino lamang?
Steal by number 14. Pass number 17. Pass break numbers here. It's short. Number 12 dribbling the ball. Magno number 12. Alley-oop play, 2 points by number 30. Assist to number 12. The score is 36-27. Aquino for the rebound. Toledo again open for 3. No good. Rebound by Peter Barro. Pass it to number 12, Magno. Nice steal by number 14, Toledo. Here is a pass break here. Oh! Slip by the ball. Number 12, Magno. Dribbling the ball. Check in by number 16, Angon. Number 11, Peter Barro. Rayer Barro. Airball. Rebound. There's a foul. Post a play. Traveling. Another stop. Partial deflected. 10 seconds shot clock. Good. So good. Rebound by number 12.
Pabaon ito eh.
2 points by Peter Barro. Score is 38-27. 3 3-point shot, no good by Toledo. Rebound by Peter Barro. Pass to number 12, Magno. Dribbling the ball. Fast break in the works here. Now underneath the basket, no good. Rebound by number 17. Dribbling the ball. There's a fast break here. Pull up jumper, 2 points. Number 17, Aquino. Score. Pass to Peter Barro. Open for 3. Uno, dos, tres! By Ranger Barro. Score is 41-27. Offensive foul. Who's fouling? Offensive foul number 1. Timeout. Ranger Barro.
Merong sumisili.
Number 12.
Ito po si Diosipio ng
Pass to number 30. Traveling.
po.
Number 7, Aquino dribbling the ball. Pass to number 5. Mr. Number 18. Rebound by number 5. Sending the ball. Reyes, number 5. There's a whistle. Who's foul? Foul on number 30, Jackla. Shoot. Rebound by Barro. Double team. Back to number 12. Rumiñega on the way. 2 points. Assist by number 12. Score is 7. 2 points. Magno. Peter Barro. Oh, this is Steven. Number 18, Mr. Number 1, the ball. There's a pass from Mickey on to break. There's a pass. It's 16. Angot. Oh, it's a steal by R. Barro.
Ayan po.
Number 30, Laksag. 3 to the hoop, 2 points. Score is 45-31. Angot. Dribbling the ball. Pass to number 1 for 3. No good. Rebound by Millena, 42. Angot, number 12. Jackla. There's a steal. Clean steal by Reyes. Pushing the ball. 2-on-2 break. 3-on-2 break. Floater. No good. Rebound by Millena. Oh, scramble the ball. Millena dribbling the ball. Pass to number 30. Jackla. Millena and white ball. Substitution. Seconds. Violation.
Ayan po, nagde-dribble.
Number 1.
Yung vlogger nagde-dribble. Pinasa kay Millena.
Pass to Millena.
Binalik kay Magno.
Go to Magno. Millena. Oh! Turn over. Mister going to the hoop. No good. Rebound by
Muntik na ma-foul si vlogger.
who's foul red?
Ayan, tagalabas yan ang bola.
Foul on number 8. Capuno.
Ilabas ang bola. Venga.
Foul on rebound by number 3. Number 3, Lasay. Toledo. Number 14. Oh! Basket is good. 2 points.
Foul na naman po si vlogger.
Foul.
Number 1.
Foul on number 15.
Sorry po, hindi pala. Tumalon lang pala siya, wala siyang
Ball
ginawa.
shot for Toledo. Basket is good. Score is 34-45.
pabaybayan ko yung vlogger. Pumisto sa 3-point area. Hindi pinapasahan, hindi nakikita. Ayun, nakatas na yung
8
kamay.
seconds shot clock. 2 points by number 7, 34. Number 23, Puno. Toledo, 2 points. Score is 47-36. 2 minutes. Number 1, Eric, the ball.
Ayan po.
There's a foul. Who's on it?
Ay, wala pa penalty.
Foul number 8, Capuno. 2 team fouls by the Bulls. Eric Barros. 3-second violation. Substitution. Number 18 out. Number 5 in. Reyes. Oh, line violation. Number 12,
Yan.
Paul Magno.
Pumisto na ulit siya sa gilid.
Second the play.
Pero hindi siya nakikita ng kasamahan niya. Ayan.
Villena. Who's foul round?
Ayan.
Foul number 14, Toledo.
Ayan po siya.
Number 12, Magno. Looper. No good. Rebound by Toledo. Oh! Caused the turnover. Toledo, third personal foul. 55 seconds remaining on the third quarter.
Eric Boy, dribbling the ball.
Eric, setting up the play.
Tumitingin siya ng mapapasa. Dinribble. Bumili.
Pass to Magno.
Pinasa.
Side step move, 2 points by Magno. Score is 49-30. 30 seconds remaining. Number 8, give me the ball. Pass in the air. 10 seconds shot clock. Toledo, 2 points by Toledo.
Magmamadali.
Oh, there's a steal by number 5. All the way, last side, 2 points. Time is up. Reyes. Give me the ball. Pass number 16. Angon. Goes to the hoop. No good. Rebound by Magno. The ball. Give me the ball. Backcourt. Villena to point. This by Magno. Score is 51-40.
51-40. Lamang po ang blue. Hinagi eh.
Villena.
Pinasa sa vlogger. Palagi siya.
Eric. Give me the ball. Hold. Let's set the play. 10 seconds shot clock. Timeout! Wolves! For this tournament, their names are as follows: Travel Buddies Holidays, Legacy United, AFC Cargo, London Speaker Bureau, and Salam Air. Score is 53-40.
Yung express ko wala sa dati. Hindi na nagkinamitan na.
Back to the ball game.
Start po ng fourth quarter. Lamang pa rin po ang blue. Position arrow is white.
Aquino giving the ball. Pass to Angon. Pass to Mr. number 18. Good for Mr. No basket.
Kasalukuyan po ang vlogger, wala pa rin puntos. Dalawa pa rin ang foul. Dalawang error. Ayan po siya.
No good rebound by white ball.
Wala magandang ginawa eh.
Aquino. Toledo for 3. No good rebound by Yakla. Pass to the Barrow short. Rebound by Toledo all the way to Aquino. All along for the fast break. 2 points. Aquino. Score is
Wala.
42.
Mukhang papalitan na po yung vlogger.
Pass to Eric. Eric getting the ball.
Ayan po.
Pass to
Kay coach.
Barrow. Villena, 2 points by Villena. Score is 55-42. Aquino, pass to Toledo. Straight to the hole. Mr. Rebound. There's a whistle. Goes foul rep. Foul number 4. Hulao. Substitution. Jaka out. Eric out. Lobitania and Adriatico in.
Ayan po si Eric. Lumalabas. Yan. Malas daw siya.
Hindi ka na napapasahan, pre. Bawi ka na. Sige, pinapupuntog dyan. Yan na.
Sap.
Basket is good.
Sap. Wala. Kanina pa. Wala na.
Substitution.
Di kagad na pintot. Sorry. Di kagad na pintot. Pwede siya, pwede.
Number 8 dribbling the ball. Pass to number 11, Peter Barrow. Cross-court pass to Villena. Barrow for 3. No good rebound by Toledo. Toledo pushing the ball. Guarded by number 11, Barrow. Toledo pushing the ball again. Going to the hole. No good rebound by Mr. number 18. Hammered. Who's foul, ref? Foul on number 4, Julao. 2 free throws for number 18, Mr. Basket is good. 2.2 by Mr. Score is 55-45. Barrow in the ball. Pass to Villena. Villena goes to the hoop. There's a whistle. Who's foul? Foul number 17. Aquino, second person. Substitution. Reyes in. Number 1 out. There's a steal with number 5 Reyes. Oh, again, all along. Oops! He fumbled the ball. Oh! It's a miscue. Timeout, Admirals. Holiday. Back to the ball game.
Yan po sa Legacy. Nadala yung bola. Pinasa kay Baro. Pinabantayan ni Toledo. Nakuha ni Magno. Ayan po.
9 seconds shot clock. There's a green steal by number 18, number 40, Toledo for the pass break. 2-on-2 break. 2 points! By number 14, Toledo. Score is 55-47. Miliana, pass break transition is good. Score is 57-47. It was a counter offense by Antoral. Oh, there's a steal by number 2, Magno. Peter Barro giving the ball. Pass to Magno. There's a fumble. Barro open for 3. No good. Rebound by again by Barro. Open for Loco. 2 points. Time out. At Mataro goals.
What? Parang UP ah.
Admirals warning penalty. Wolves 3 team fouls. Reyes. Toledo open for 3. No good. Rebound by Lasay. Reyes. Again, Toledo for 3. No good. Rebound by Mr. number 18.
Natanggal po yung sapatos. Natanggal yung sapatos.
There's a foul. Oh, the super foul. Let's call it. Foul for number 18, Mr. Basket is good. Rebound with number 30, Jaksa. Foul number 18, Mr. Wolves warning to penalty. Admirals penalty. Magno dribbling the ball. Foul number 18, Mr. Penalty. Both teams are in penalty situation.
Ano yan, pre? Dati mga nagsusuko yan.
No basket.
Mga nagsusumpa rin.
40. Last time dribbling the ball. Ang madali po siya ngayon. The hair. Oh, it's costly. Turnover again. Oh! It's blue ball. Substitution.
Tumama sa paa niya.
Aquino in, Angot in. Toledo out. Mr. number 5, Mr. Go to the hole. Basket is good. Who's fouling? Foul number 12. Magno, penalty. No basket. Rebound by Reyes. Reyes will be dribbling the ball. Aquino. Setting the ball. Aquino. Reyes. Aquino. Angot, 2 points. His score is 52.
Walo na lang po.
60. Alvarez leading by 8 points. Basket is good by Magno.
May tagagiba na kayo.
Ayaw.
Peter Barro out. Peter Barro in.
Ganda ng pangalan ni Rainier ah. Nagpa-convert na pala to.
Short. Oh, rebound again by Magno. Pass good. Number 32 points. It's an automatic on the 1-point swing. Score is 64-52. Magno dribbling the ball. 3 3 seconds violation. 3 minutes and 37 seconds. Aquino winning the ball. Madali po siya. Oh, into the hole. There's a pass. Extra pass again. Angon. Open for 3. Short. Rebound by. Oops. Line violation by Aquino.
Bababa na kasi hindi na kaya.
Baka na rin.
Number 12 pushing the ball. There's a double team here. Double team. Oh, it's a complete steal.
Sap.
By a substitution. Nobitanya in. Tulao out. Slip. Lubo.
Pagpalitan mo na si ano, mamamatay yun. Hindi na kaya eh.
Substitution. Substitution. There's a steal by Toledo. Toledo going all the way. No good. Rebound by number 1.
Ayan po. Nakakuha siya ng bola.
Eric pushing the ball. Pass to number 11. Peter Barro. Peter Barro pushing the ball. Pass to number 8. Adriatico. Pass to Rainier Barro. Open for 3. Oh, there's another pass by him, but it's a 3-on-1 break. Oh, it doesn't go inside the hoop. Rebound. Rebound by number 8, Adriatico. Number 1.
Vlogger po, palagi na lang nagdidribble.
Pass to number 11, Peter Barro. Pass to number 1,
Ayun
Eric.
po.
Dribbling the ball. 9 seconds shot clock. Eric for open for 3. No good. Rebound by. Whoops. By white ball. 2 minutes and 16 seconds.
Tumira po yung vlogger. Kailangan.
Delete yan, video na yan.
Ha?
Delete yan. Malamang.
Our rebound by number 23, Villena. Last 2 minutes is brought to you by Samalamig and Ice Too Big. 2 points by Villena. Score is 66-50.
Mayaman si Melina.
Number 23. 2 points by number 23. Rainier Barro dribbling the ball. Waiting for his teammates. Adriatico. Number 1, Eric. 2 points. Good ball by number 1, Eric the Plugger. Score is 68-56. Another offensive rebound by Eric the Vlogger. There's a fast break in the way. Oh, wait a minute. Rainier Barro says, hold guys.
Sayang, hindi
We're
na po yung
leading 12 points. Eric to Peter Barro for 3. Oh, Bubas. Miliana offensive rebound. Quick 2 points. Oh, there's a foul. Penalty. Foul on number 11. Peter Barro. Substitution. Wala pa sa. Balik po, balik. Wala po sa ba? Wala kami namin 10. Wala.
Pag na-shoot.
Pag na-shoot ko niya, pag-shoot. First basket is good by Toledo. Substitution.
Yan.
Dahil po sinap dito. Alam nyo na yun. One minute remaining. Oh, technical foul! Admirals. 6 players was in the court.
Pag sasab kayo, sabi nyo sa committee kung sino yung sasabay nyo. Hindi namin alam. Tatlo yung pinaka.
No basket.
Bigla basket.
Gagawin namin.
Ano?
56.
Focus kayo ng 20. Walang
You daw.
20 kayo makasyon.
Pass to number 30, Jackla.
Tira.
Pass to number 15.
Jog to po.
Number 8, no good rebound by White Ball. 43 seconds remaining on the clock. Nagmamadali pa ulit dito.
Uy!
Quick 2 or 3 point shot. No good rebound by 3. Oh, there's a foul. Foul number 4. Julau penalty. Basket is good. Second shot. Up. Oh, lane violation. Kapitanya, no po, rebound by Toledo. Nagmamadali sila ngayon. 28 seconds remaining. Mister, thinking for 3. No good, rebound by number 12, Magno. Number 12, Magno. Oh, dancing in the front court. Dancing again, dancing here, dancing there. Oh! There's a knee foul by number 14, Toledo, penalty. Toledo, warning to graduate.
Sumag-pitro eh. Ay, asa.
Maraming salamat po sa ating mga sponsors ulit. London Speaker Bureau, Salam Air, Basket is Good, Legacy United Air and Sea Cargo, at Travel Buddies Holidays. So, basket, rebound by number 23 with 6 seconds remaining. This is still again Magno. Magno, flipping the ball. 2 seconds remaining. Time is up. The final score is 71-59. Congratulations for Blue Admiral.
Best player.